Each morning, as the sun rises, Lemi Kebede starts his railway track patrol. He has been working as a seasoned patrolman at Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway for 4 years. But he still carries out his duty conscientiously, because it is critical for the safe operation of the railway. Zhang Anki came to Ethiopia only 2 months ago, but with the help of his partner, he has quickly adapted to the work and life here. Meanwhile, the international passenger train of the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway arrives at Lebu station, ready for departure. Simret Area, the conductor of the train, is making preparations for departure. Simret loves her job. Her serious and responsible attitude sets a good example for her colleagues.
I'll give you 5 minutes.
Lebu station, located in the capital Addis Ababa, is the largest station of the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway. It is a mixture of modern style and traditional architecture in Ethiopia and has become a landmark. After graduating from college, Simret was engaged in hotel management at abroad. After the railway was put into operation, she decided to return to Ethiopia. Through hard work, she became an excellent international conductor.
ይህ ስራ ለእኔ ትልቅ ለውጥ ያገኘሁበት ነው። ማለት በህይወቴ ብዙ ነገር የተማርኩበት ስራ ነው።
As Simret's colleague and former instructor, Jing Leli has finished his work here and is ready to go back to China. Before leaving, he went on the train to visit Simret.
I'm not long time not come to the train, and how is your work?
Yeah, work is nice now. It's been 2 months, yeah, and now I'm working by myself, so it's going good now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about your family?
My family, they are
Everything is
good. Yeah, they are good. Thank you.
The operation of the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway provides more opportunities for young people in Ethiopia. Here, they can master knowledge and skills through training and give play to their talents on various posts in the future.